First thing I'm going to do is take the sausage, which is like 10 seconds in the microwave. It was frozen. And it's easier to dice up when it's frozen. And it will cook faster. That'll take care of the sausage. And then the onion, dice up the onion, not that little end piece. So the onion diced up, then we're going to saute all this together and chop up fresh sage, mince up a little, and parsley, and then go about making the omelet. So on a moderate flame, put the onions and the sausage. No salt or pepper do I use in this recipe because the sausage is spicy, and it also, sausage is salty. So that takes care of that. And then we have the fresh sage. It's a little more than a tablespoon. I love the flavor. And fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon. But I'm not putting it in there yet, at the very end. Now, we're going to add the parsley. Sausage is cooked, sage, and we're going to put in a tablespoon of butter. Mix this around for a minute, raise the flame, and if you use a non-stick like this is, it makes life easier. I'm just scraping the bottom to make sure it's smooth, so the eggs, which I beat up, these Costco eggs are small, so that's why I said Costco eggs. And in with the eggs is a tablespoon of heavy cream, which makes the eggs a little creamier, tastier. That's the way they taught me when I was an apprentice in the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York City. In the breakfast kitchen, they would always add heavy cream to a pot of scrambled eggs. So that's what I'm doing. Now, I want every ounce of this egg mixture to go in. So we go like so, and leave nothing in the bowl. Thank you very much. Now, raise the flame like so. Get the plate ready, because this is going to be fast. Get the cheese ready. Little less than 1/4 cup of pecorino Romano, and then draw the outside in. Oh, this is going to be a nice size omelet. I can see it now. Okay, no more drawing because there's a lot of solids in there. So now we go with the cheese. Not all over, just where it's going to get folded. I am going to, it's moving nicely. I like my omelet soft. So we're going to get that to flip a little. Help it out, that's it. Get this to flip. Nice size omelet. I'm going to enjoy this breakfast. Now lower the flame and just allow it to cook a little bit more, and the cheese, of course, will melt. And then we take the plate beautiful. I don't want to make the bottom crusty, so we take this and tilt both like so. And there, well, it wasn't 100% perfectly made omelet, but one thing for sure, it's going to taste good.